Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the number one channel to your solution.
Hello everyone and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable Hyper-V in Windows 10. So open system information. And here you can see the version of your Windows, like I'm using Windows 10 Pro. Make sure that you are not using Windows 10 Home because Hyper-V is not available in Windows 10 Home. Okay, so there you can see Hyper-V is available on our operating system, but it's not yet activated. So I'll show you how to activate Hyper-V. So first of all, open Windows Features menu. So from here you can see Hyper-V is not enabled. You need to check this box to enable Hyper-V and click OK. So now it's applying the Hyper-V to the system. You have to wait for a few seconds. Once Hyper-V is enabled, you need to open Windows Features menu again. And this time you have to enable Virtual Machine Platform. There you can see. Just check on this and click OK. Now wait for it. So when this completes, you need to restart your PC. The restarting can take longer than usual because it's installing some features in your computer. So wait patiently. Okay, so now our computer is restarted. Now you have to open the search bar and search for Hyper-V, and there you can see Hyper-V Manager. Now open it. Let's check if it's working fine or not. So you can create a virtual machine from here. Just click here. And here you can find different operating systems. Okay, so there you can see you can install Windows 11 and Ubuntu. It's basically a Linux operating system. Now you can see the Hyper-V is working on our system and it's successfully enabled. So guys, that's all in this video.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.